What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to wirelessly send photos or videos from your Sony camera to your smartphone. So this will work for most of the Sony cameras. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description to all the supported cameras for this application that we're going to be using from the App Store. So what you want to do first is go to your App Store or Google Play Store, and you want to look for this app called Imaging Edge Mobile. So I'm going to leave it down below in the description. So it is completely free. So once you guys do install it to your phone, we can open it up right here, and it's basically you're going to have to agree to the terms and services, and then it should look exactly like this right here. So what you want to do next is go to your Sony camera. So I have the Sony a7C, and basically look for a photo or video that you want to send from your camera to your smartphone. So right here I just have a random photo of my Logitech mouse, and what you want to do from here is when you have the photo that you want to send, click on the function key right here and click on this image. And then obviously if you want to do multiple images or all of these images, pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to do this image right here, and then it's going to click on Wi-Fi standby, and then it's going to give you guys a QR code. So what we want to do now is go back to our smartphone right here, and what we want to do is click on the camera connection / registration. And then obviously if you see your model, if you don't, click on register other models, and then click on scan QR code. Okay. And then we want to scan that QR code. And then it's going to ask you if you want to join the Wi-Fi. Click on join. And then you will see it's going to fully connect, and it should now copy that photo from the Sony camera to my smartphone, and it's gonna give you guys another message. Basically, if you're copying photos, it's gonna only work in these formats as well. Also, it's gonna exclude videos that is a 10-bit format or over 100 megabytes per second. So I'm gonna click on OK, and it's gonna be copying that photo. So now it said items copied, so we click on OK, and you can see it right there. We can select on this photo. Which is pretty cool is you can click on the little eye icon and you can see all the details of this photo, like the file size, when it was taken, image size, model, lens you taken, the shutter speed, all that stuff, ISO. And also if we go to our photos application right here, you will see the photo as well right there. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Just a very quick tutorial on how to send photos and videos from your Sony camera to your smartphone. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description to all the supported cameras or the Sony cameras that will work with this application. If you guys did enjoy this video, drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Also, let me know down below in the comments section what Sony camera are you currently using. So like I said earlier, I'm using the Sony a7C with the f1.8 20mm lens. There you guys have it. That's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one.